Hey guys, my name is Carolina. Welcome to La Spatula, and today we're gonna learn how to make the famous chocolate chip cookies from the Levain bakery in New York. They are very easy to make and very delicious. So let's see the process. To begin with, here we have our all-purpose flour, and we're going to convert it into cake flour by taking out 1 tablespoon and replace it with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. This is necessary so our final cookies are much softer. Also add the baking powder and baking soda and then mix very well all the dry ingredients. The next step is sifting the dry ingredients. Here I have 1 stick of butter that should be very cold, and I'm gonna go ahead and dice it in small cubes. I'm gonna use pecans, but you can also use any kind of nuts you prefer. We're gonna toast them at 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. Take both brown and white sugar to the mixer as well as the cold butter. Mix at medium-high speed until all the ingredients are well incorporated. Now add the egg, which should be cold, and vanilla extract. With the mixer at low speed, add the flour slowly. If you don't have a stand mixer at home, you can incorporate the dry ingredients using a spatula. Before the flour is completely incorporated, this is the moment to add the chocolate chips and the nuts. Mix one more time until all the ingredients are just incorporated. It is very important to not overmix. I'm gonna bake my cookies using a silicone mat, but at home you guys can also use parchment paper or just oil the tray a little bit. Now we're going to make balls about 150 grams or 5.5 ounces. This recipe is enough for 5 cookies, so if you don't have a kitchen scale at home, just divide the cookie dough in 5 equal parts. The trick for you to get thick cookies is that it's very important that the cookie dough is cold when they're ready to go to the oven. So if you want very thick cookies, refrigerate the cookie dough balls for at least 2 hours. In my case, I took them to the freezer for 15 minutes. One of the most important things you have to keep in mind when making these cookies is that you need to use double tray. This is because when we use double tray at the moment of baking, we are preventing that the bottom burns because these cookies are very big and thick. Take the cookies with the double tray to a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 minutes, but you can start checking after 10 minutes. Once we take our cookies out of the oven, let them rest for about 15 minutes because when they're hot, they can break easily. As you can see, they look delicious and the flavor is very tasty. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you would like to keep watching all the Latin American dessert recipes we have here every week. So I'll see you in another video. Bye!